Hey guys, done the frequency alignment on the radio, VCO and whatever, according to the service manual. Everything is copacetic on the radio. This is AM. One, two, three, 1, 2. Jesus. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. Now upper side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. Test 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. And now go lower side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Test, 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 1, 2, 1, 2. Audio. There we have it, ladies and gentlemen. Cobra 148 GTL. Restored. No longer has the open clarifier. That has been removed. You can move this clarifier all you want. Nothing changes. It's all the way one way. It's all the way the other way. There we have it. Cobra 148 GTL number 1. Repaired and ready to go to battle. Alright folks, thanks for watching. And now we have Cobra 148 GTL 2.0. Gotta love it. Anyway guys, catch you in a bit.